What is up, everybody, and welcome to the PUBG mobile beta app. Now, if you're not familiar with this, it's very similar to PUBG, except it's the beta version. That's why I've got this stupid friggin' text over my screen. That's going to be in the whole video, I do apologise. But the main reason for this video is to show off the payload mode. Now, I've already had one go at it today, and it's just madness. You get helicopters, you get APCs, you get rocket launchers, grenade launchers. Anyway, I'll just go straight on it, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. The video might skip a bit, blah blah, because I'll just be literally editing out all the crap, but hopefully you enjoy it. Anyway, I'm just going to land somewhere absolutely random. And if you see these blue things on the map, they're like little towers, and you take ID cards to them. I so far have not found an ID card, so I don't know what they're for, or how to get them, or anything like that. And here we have a sawn-off grenade launcher. Helicopter, I'll get that in that momentarily, but I'm going to go loot, hopefully some decent weaponry first. And here's the RPG 7. I'll pick up that ammo. Yep. Pretty sure it's a bot, but I'm going to grenade launcher him anyway. Didn't kill him in one shot. It's kind of stupid. Right then. Right, so how we go with the helicopter. You've got basic controls: ascend, descend, and obviously just. I find it quite easy to control, really. I'd imagine if you've got other people in, they will shoot out the sides, but I can't, obviously. I'll go show you one of these towers quickly. Where am I on the map? Right, there's one this way. It's quite fast actually for getting around. Obviously it's only available on this mode. We can if they did put it on the proper modes, but I don't think they're going to do that. Go ahead and land. Maybe safer land because it doesn't really hurt the helicopter. So like you kill someone, you get the ID card and you bring it here. I don't know where you get the ID cards. I haven't found one yet. I'll find out eventually. Super weapon catch, so I'll go towards the one near hospital where I originally spawned. Oop. So then, it hasn't came yet. Right, so this is the super supply drop. You see them on the map. This one's about to appear. Oh, people coming. Where is it? The falling from the sky? Is it it's coming over there, right? So I'll just wait for it. Make sure they don't come for us. As you can see, it's got what we usually find, like ghillie suits, level 3 stuff. And you've got a big grenade launcher, a different recoilless rifle, blah blah, and all that stuff in. You've got an airstrike beacon that I like the look of, which I'm going to try out. So, let's go. Airstrike beacon. What do I do with it? Anyway. Right then. Someone's blown up a helicopter there. When you jump out of a helicopter, this is what happens. You get you do get a parachute. Here is the APC. And yes, by the way, everyone's answer. You can't lean out, you can't shoot or anything like that. Just like the armoured UAZ. And they're quite beefy as well. I know these are all bots on this server, but you know, they can't really do much against it. Beep beep. Don't know what I locked onto there, but I killed it. Right then guys, so apparently if you go in the water with one of these, you can drive it through the water, so we'll sharp find out. There's actually a bot in the water in front of us here, so I'm going to kill him first, and then see if it'll go through the water. So yes, you can actually use it on water. It's not very fast, but it works. So that'll be handy dandy if the people are camping the bridge. Whoa! I did not mean to do that. So I've now found a flare gun. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. See what it brings us. Probably just regular stuff, like. Well, if I can shoot my team out, I can. Sorry, mate. I missed. Machine gun extended mag there. And there we go, there's the beta of PUBG. And I won. As you do. Bye bye.